Hey everybody, Chicken Joe 81. So, what do we got? You tell me. We're behind the dryer again. It is January 2nd, 2026. And I have to double check. But I was just back here. And the last time I was back here, the drum didn't turn. And it was this white thing. So we're going to put this on the camera. Right, that makes no sense. We're going to put this on the tripod. We're going to take one thing out at a time. I'm going to show you the connections on camera right this second. And I don't really see anything off the top of my head, but I'm going to replace the heating element because I have a new one. So right off the top of my head, excuse you. Okay, ready? Shalom. All right, this connection. Fine, loose, but not burnt. This connection, loose, but not burnt. Loose, but not burnt. Huh. These really don't mean anything. This is fine. Sorry, where am I? This is fine. This is... This is, I wonder if this is showing where. Let me disconnect it. I have to reference the other. I don't like that. I have to reference the other video. I wonder if this broke. Because see how this is burnt? Maybe it got really hot and then it threw it. Okay, and then this is the heating element. Alright, and then here's this. Alright, so let me put it on a tripod.
What tripod? What in here?
Alright, please excuse the my body, my legs. When I work alone, I work naked. Okay, so what you want to do, if you haven't been following anything, is you want to have continuity on all of these. You don't have to disconnect them. Stop. You do not have to disconnect them. Oh, look at that. That's good for me. So you want to make sure you go to ohms, and it has noise. So technically, I can put that down here. It doesn't need to be on camera. You just need to hear it. Okay? You just need to hear it. When you hear it, that means it works. Okay?
What is that noise?
Oh, that's the thermal. That works. I will disconnect it from the dryer and make sure there's no lint. I'm actually going to go down here. I think it's this. I think it's a low limit cutoff. I'll double check. Ready? Yep. Yes, from the heating element. Ready? Watch. Okay, please. You're going to hurt yourself.
I just checking something.
So it's this. I'll check this.
Cannot check that.
Yep, see that?
Yes.
So now, Jay, which is fine, he recommends that, like, once one thing breaks, it's like you're better off changing the whole thing. Okay. So, we don't need that now. We could move this out of the way. We could shut that off. We could just take out the high... I don't even know what the words are anymore. What I should do is take a Sharpie. Let me just double check this. I want to take this out because I want to make sure there's no lint. Alright, I want to put it back in. I know that meant nothing to you, but okay. What I want to do is take a Sharpie and write, you know, do-do-do and da-da-da,
Da, da, da.
So what we're going to do is da da da.
Boom, da, boom, boom, boom.
I'm going
boom,
to
boom, 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 boom.
take the heating element out. So the heating element got too hot. And the sensor here, again, I'm so sorry, right this immediate second, I don't know. It's the one on the heating element. That's all I could tell you, very nicely. And I think that it burned up. And I think what happens is it gets, oh, geez, I think we burned. It gets whatever the wording is. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the heating element.
And what's exactly doing?
Be careful with the screws. So what happens is it turns the drum. It doesn't produce heat. When the thermal shuts off, it thinks there's something completely wrong. So it stops the motor and everything shuts. So basically, what this is basically an equivalent to air drying. This is just a coincidental air dryer. This is basically what happens. Again, I don't know why. I get the fail safes. I just don't know why everything doesn't just shut off. So this should be pulled out. Okay. Now I'm going to show you this on camera, and I think Jay and other people are going to say, "Oh wow, yeah, I think you need a new element." Okay. Now you have continuity on the element. Okay, I'll double check that. The element itself has continuity. But it doesn't mean that it's giving me the best. So you will go from here to here, which means that the element is on fire. Let me see if I can show you that. Actually, I can just show you right here. Look. Oh, pardon my ping wing and the ping pow. So Jay and I have seen this before. But sometimes you say to yourself, maybe you could, do without it. Maybe, So what's happening is this. Actually, I might have compromised that. I should be careful because I do have another one. So maybe it gets really, really hot. And there's continuity, and it's fine. It works. It's the original one. But maybe this doesn't do its job. Okay? So we do have another one.
Daddy, look at this.
Okay. Let me take it out of the box. Look at the difference. You could eat off of this. I'll check the continuity on the floor. This is gonna double check this. This doesn't move that much. This has a screw. Sure, the other one does. Nope, the other one is riveted. Night and day, right? All right. Let me get this other part in my storage. So, okay, this is called a dryer high limit thermostat. So that means I'm assuming that the heating element got too big for its britches. Is that what that's safe to see? It got really, really hot. It got really hot. And then it didn't know what to do, so it broke it. I broke one. So let's test the heating element. No. Oh, look at that. Slick and snot. Well, we're going to keep that open. I can go. Oh, look at this. Wow. Do you see that?
What?
Let me take this out and show you. Yeah, this is no bueno. So what we want to do is take this thing out. Put this here.
Fog go. Let me count.
All
1,
right, everybody. Ding, 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 ding.
5,
So that's out of the way.
7,
Wow.
7,
No bueno, Poppy.
7.
No bueno. Let me show you what I see. Let me show you what I
1,
see.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Look at that.
11, 12, 13,
This is factory shiny.
16,
That burned.
7,
That got hot. That got hot. That got hot.
17,
Shut this off.
19,
So that means that it got hot.
25, 26,
Sometimes I feel like a nut. Sometimes I get hot. So we have 3 of everything. Sometimes I feel like a nut. Sometimes I don't. L248-80 degrees Fahrenheit. That's no good, man. Let's check for continuity, because that means it works. Oh, excuse me.
How would this dryer?
Okay, so now what you can do is shut this off. There's absolutely nothing here that you need this for right now. Hey-oh, da-da-da-do. Now, I look at this hole. That's right, yeah, that's what happens. That's what happens when everything is in the way, you know? That's what happens when you're sitting back here playing with your phone. So this hole is different than this hole. Let's see. All right, just a tad. So what I'll do is I'll bend it down until it fits. Yeah, it's just a little tab here. Bend it down until it fits. Doesn't matter if it's touching it. Ooh, belly. Yep, same exact thing. Get this out of the way, May. All right. Let's do this together. So you want to start it by hand. You do. But then what happens is it tests your patience. So you got to get the drill out now. Now you get the drill out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, looks like it was a little proud. So we have the drill. Oh, the drill's stuck on the screw. All right. All right. So now you might get
more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
the heating element. You got to be careful.
11, 100.
When it turns on, it might want to burn itself off. So you might get a smell. You want to make sure that smell disappears. What I'm just saying is you might get it. So don't be discouraged, because just like a stove that's brand new and a microwave, it has to burn itself off. Yeah, I do not like that. That got really hot. That's unbelievable.
With the hose.
I don't think it burned the wires. I would need a magnifying glass. I think it just burned itself. I think it burned itself silly.
Hit beat everybody. What the?
Wait, I'm confused. Did this go in?
Somebody to lead, and then give me the lead. Then he won. On that friend. Easy. How to
Oh, yes. Okay. It went in like that. Okay.
Tommy did an awesome move.
There we go.
Look at this. Yeah.
Little pop, 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 pop. Mhm.
One more. GG.
All right. Didn't I tell you to watch the script? Didn't I tell you to watch the script? You want to start it. You just want to start it.
What do you want to
What you want to do?
do? Here that comes.
Doom bop beep bop da boom bop biddy la la.
Try and
Right, all right.
try and split the seed.
Right, right, right. All right. We know that the big boy goes on the big boy. You know that this goes on this. This is connected. This is connected. This is connected. This is connected. Connected. Connected dots. La la la. Vacayo. La la la. So technically you can hit it with a shop vac real quick, but I was in here a couple of months ago. What I should be able to do is now get up,
Turn on.
turn it on, and let you know that it's hot.
One in the hole.
And then that's going to be it. We're going to cut this short. You don't need to see me put it back on. You don't need to... All the stuff, there's a bunch of links in the description.
You cutting it off.
You are the one.
Daddy, you cutting it off.
Shalom.
You cutting it.
All right, we have the power on. Duh. Lit switch is off.
Which is off?
If the timer's on 50.
50.
And the cotton, it's on cotton high.
Cutting high. I keep copying you.
And what I should do is feel it getting hot.
Hot. This stinks. That really stinks.
Yes. So I see the element on. Can you see it? Yeah, you see it glowing, right?
I don't see anything glowing. I'll just stop. I really need to feel it.
Put it back to medium.
Yeah.
Now what I should have done, which I didn't, is turn that on
Again.
and replace the other sensor. But we know that it's all bad. We know the heating element works. And we know that the old sensor doesn't. So anyway, for this purposes, hit like, hit subscribe. That's another win for the homeowner, even though I don't count that. I really don't count that. Up. Stop that. Please. Please. Much clean. Don't touch it. Come here.
What's that looking at?
Okay, I gotta move. Get you back up. I'm gonna back you up.
What you
All right, everybody. Hit like, hit subscribe, and I'm gonna put this back together. We're gonna start the drying process all over again. I'll see you in the next Dry as Broken video. Ciao for now.